Hello everyone, welcome to the Laravel solution series. Today in this series I am going to explain a problem and then I am going to also provide a solution. So I am implementing this project for my clients and I am uploading different files and different data into multiple tables, right? And when I am going to create this out, so it's not going to create any of the record, and it's throwing that basically it's creating the record but it's throwing this error. So basically this would be a warning. Let me go to the top. It's displaying that notice unknown file created in the system temporary directory and unknown on line 0. So I figure out many times but I unable to find that what's the issue. And here someone asks this error report, you should turn off this error reporting and then this would work. Okay, you can turn off, but I'm not going to do this because I want to fix the issue. So here someone suggested that you need to go to the your uploaded temp directory and you need to change this uploaded temp directory, and also suggest that don't use this out. Okay, and here someone also suggested that temp/windows/ but this is also not going to work for me. So the solutions those are worked for me or for my two problems. The first one problem is it's displaying this 0 line error, unknown file created in the system. This is the first problem, and the second problem I faced here. If I go here and let me clear it out again, and here when I run this php artisan serve and hit enter. Let's wait for a moment to complete this, and yes, it's throwing this error symphony exception runtime exception, right? So what's the error? Temporary file could not be opened to write process output. So it means that it's unable to open a file because our uploaded file is incorrect. So someone suggested it here. Let me go to the top composer on temporary, because basically it's happening due to temp file. Our temp file is not correct path, that's why it's doing this. So someone suggested that go to the php.ini file, and in the system directory you need to check the right path. So you need to add the right path of your temp directory. Okay, and here someone also suggested that you need to change your system temp directory to this one in your php.ini file. So now but this one suggested extension directory equal this one, but in my case it's good, but when I added this path into my system temp directory it's going to work. So let me open the command line. If you don't know how to open the php.ini file, so just open your command prompt and type php.ini, so it will open ini file for you. Okay, so here you need to search for system temp directory. So let's click on this find next, and by default it's commented like this, right? So you need to remove this comment, and then this path would be this one, right? So I need to first change this path through this one, right? So it's telling us that you need to get the path and then add this here. Okay, so let me know this one. First echo your path and add this into the temp directory, right? So let me go there. Yes, so here we have opened this terminal, and now let's type this echo and then to %sign, and in the %sign you need to type path. Let me verify it from there. No, we need to type temp. Okay, temp, I'm not sure, temp not temp. Hit enter, and it's returned the my PC temp path. So you can get the temporary path simply copy this, Control C, and yes, path is copied. And now let's go to the ini file, and first I'm going to add this full path here. I added this path, save this one, and let me restart my Apache and MySQL. It does not matter that you are enabling the MySQL, but I did this. Okay, so now let me clear the console, and here I'm going to run this again, php artisan serve. Hit enter. wait for a moment, and yes, my deployment server is now started successfully, right? So it means that now our path is correct and it's finding the temp path. So you can also follow this answer. So you need to go to your extension directory. Basically in my case it's not going to work, XAMPP PHP extension, so it's good but it's still not working, right? So how it's going to work, so you need to copy this thing, and because this uploaded also need this path, so if I go here and add this same thing here, save this one, and let me reload my XAMPP. It's going to change if anything you made any changes into your ini file, so you need to restart your server, otherwise it's not going to work. Okay, my server is started successfully. Okay, so if I run this, stop this, and if I go here and let's change back again to /temp, save this one, and let's restart the server, and here I'm going to restart my artisan server, so it's not going to work. Why? Because now this directory is not accessible for this Laravel project, that's why it's throwing this error. So hope you get an idea that how you can fix the temporary file issue. So if you are facing any of the problem in your project, so shoot this in the comment below, and I will add a full video on it. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want to get regular tips and Laravel tips and tricks about the Laravel, subscribe the YouTube channel and stay connected. Bye bye.